Kamanda wa borithi Kaunti-ini ya Nairobi Japheth Koome ni athingereirie kuga muingi nduri hatikaini o yothe ya kugumirwo ni ngui kana ngahiha kuona honge cia ugitiri iri cemba kugacirithia thayu hatari na muthutukanio.
My officers are doing well. They are managing the situation and we are equal to the task. I would like to state that these officers they are competent, well trained, well equipped, and with the capacity to handle a situation.
Koome ni athiete na mbere kuregana na muhuhu uria uratheremio ati honge cia ugitiri ni irahuthira mbiraru o undu umwe na hinya mukiru kuhurana na arurungani icigo itiganite.
National Police Service. This issue of military, where is it coming from? As the operation commander, I have not at all called for support from military.
Nake mwandiki munene wa ruhonge rwa mutharaba mutune Abbas Guret ni agire kiene muhuhu uria ukoretwo githeremio iguru rigi aria matete mioyo yao kurumirira ngui irikoretwo ituthukite icigo itiganite guku bururi-ini.
A new phenomenon that has emerged, I think, in the last few days in this country is what is now famously being called fake news in this country, and where I think the political divide in this country, especially those responsible for social media and for communication, have been passing messages on both sides that are really, as a Kenyan, I'm not proud of, and very sad that today it's gotten to this level where there's a lot of fake news.
Guret ni ugite kuri na andu maratheremia muhuhu kuri muingi akiuga Akenya ni magiriirwo ni guthurima mohoro wega.
And I want to say the truth of the matter is those who are issuing out those stories, when you question them, there is no evidence, and it wasn't true. So as a Kenyan, leave alone in my role as Secretary General of the Red Cross, I just want to urge my fellow countrymen and country citizens, let us be sincere to one another. Let us be careful with what we say because it's not helping anybody.
Mugaru na ndeto iria ikoretwo ikihunjio ciĩgie ikuũ iria ciumanite na ngui cia thutha wa githurano, ruhonge rwa mutharaba mutune ni rurekereirie ndumiriri na kuga no andu 17 tu makoretwo moritwo ni mioyo yao na kuria a Kenya methemane na kuhunjia ndeto iria itari nginyaniru. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wanjiru wa Njuguna.